Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. So this comes with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30 to protect yourself from the harmful UV sun rays. And here's what the packaging looks like. Always important to moisturize with sunscreen in the morning, everyone. I'm sure that's why you're watching this video. Helps prevent sunburn, but also skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. So, alright, that's the packaging. Let me show you all what it looks like when we unbox it. This is what it looks like. It's three ounces. And that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.